Hello, I will be trying Jungkook's recipe he posted today on Weverse. Pause for the automatic mediocre translation from Weverse. I went to my local H Mart to get most of the ingredients for the recipe. The only thing I could not find at H Mart was the Buldak Mayo sauce, which I ended up improvising. As for the unit of measurement, I used a metal spoon because that's what Jungkook used. To start, you will need 4 spoons of the Perilla oil. I've never used Perilla oil before, but it had a similar scent to sesame oil. Next, you will need 1 spoon of the Buldak Mayo sauce, which I'm 99% sure is just Buldak mixed with mayo, so that's what I did. Then you'll need 1 spoon of just the Buldak sauce. Then 2 spoons of cham sauce. The next ingredient, a raw egg yolk, is kind of risky and a foreshadowing for later. Lastly, some optional garlic. I cooked the buckwheat noodles and rinsed them with water. I'm not certain I used the correct type of buckwheat noodle. Also, all those chunks are the garlic and not unmixed sauce. Lastly, add some seasoned seaweed flakes. I used the wrong seaweed because the Weverse translation kind of sucked. I found a better fan translation on Twitter, so I ended up substituting it with some furikake, which I believe is kind of similar. Overall, Jungkook's recipe was pretty simple and quick to make. I would say the taste reminds me of a spicy creamy carbonara but served cold. However, my stomach did hurt and I had to use the bathroom for a long time afterwards. I'm pretty sure it was from the raw egg yolk, so you have been warned. Bye, and good luck.